flowers, what do you hear? I hear a zookeeper whistling in my ear. Zookeeper, what do you hear? I hear children. Brown like a polar bear, brown like a lion, snoring like a hippopotamus, feeling like a flamingo, singing like a zebra, hissing like a bowling specter.
Yes, it is.
Like an elephant, snarling like a leopard, yapping like a peacock, bellowing like a walrus.
Picturing
That's
what this
what I
person
hear.
would be like if you in fact left.
The end.
Let's read the beach book.